In this video, I'll be talking about understanding the key DM metrics of DM setting as a DM setter or appointment setter that you have to put in your blood, and you can use them absolutely throughout your life. And let's understand them and fully optimize them. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first one is open rate, and that typically means with the word the percentage of messages that were opened. For example, if 30% is the open rate from 100 messages, it means 30 messages were opened. The next one is response rate. That means the percentage of recipient who responded or took action from your DM. For example, 15% of response rate implies that 15 out of 100 messages were interacted. The third one is conversion rate. So it depicts that the number of people who took a desired action to complete that purchase, and that's called the conversion rate. And the for example, if 10% is the conversion rate, and it depicts that only 10 people took some action or bought that product or service out of 100 messages. The fourth one comes in the list is click through rate or CTR, and it depicts that the number of recipients who clicked the link you sent within the DM. For example, if 20% is the CTR, that means 20 people from that 100 messages clicked that link and bought that product or service. The next one is bounce rate. So, what it typically depicts is the number of messages that fail to deliver at that time. For example, if there is a 2% bounce rate, or if there is a 5% bounce rate, that depicts that 5% or 5 messages were undelivered out of the 100 messages.